Reliable electric connections in flammable facilities are vital to smooth daily operations. Facilitated by flameproof sockets, receptacles, and connectors, it is important to use equipment specifically designed to withstand demanding explosive conditions. At Larson Electronics, our ATEX and IECEx rated explosion-proof sockets and connectors are reinforced with superior protection. To minimize interactions with combustible compounds, we offer flame-proof receptacles and plugs that are non-metallic and IP66 waterproof. Our color-coded sockets prevent wrong power connections in the field, and a quick glance is all that is needed to ensure compatibility. Here are some benefits that come with our line of flame-proof sockets and connectors. Industrial grade, extremely durable, safe and easy to use, color-coded, capable of protecting heavy-duty equipment, complies with ATEX and IECEx IP and NEMA, helps to avoid costly power interruptions and delays, and offers peace of mind with secure electrical connections. As a one-stop shop for businesses seeking portable power distribution and industrial lighting solutions, these ATEX and IECEx rated flameproof sockets and connectors can be integrated with cords, reels, plugs, or used as a supporting accessory on power distribution stations, flameproof cameras, and lights. At Larson Electronics, we do more than meet your lighting needs. Contact us today.